Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're going to show you how to program an RCA Universal Remote. Whether you've just bought a new TV or need to replace a lost remote, programming your RCA Universal Remote is quick and easy. Stick with us and we'll guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Prepare your remote. First, make sure you have your RCA Universal Remote and the device you want to control, like your TV or DVD player nearby. Also, find the code list that came with your remote. If you don't have it, don't worry, we'll show you how to find the codes. Step 2. Find the code for your device. 1. Turn on the device you want to program, e.g., your TV. 2. Press and hold the code search button on your RCA remote until the indicator light turns on and stays on. Then release the code search button. 3. Press the button for the device you're setting up, e.g., TV. The indicator light will blink and then remain on. 4. Aim the remote at your device and press the power button repeatedly until the device turns off. Make sure to press the power button slowly, allowing the remote to scan through the codes. 5. Once your device turns off, immediately press the Enter button on the remote to save the code. The indicator light should turn off. Step 3. Test your remote. Now, test your remote to see if it works with your device. Try turning the device on and off and adjusting the volume or channels. Conclusion. That's it. Programming your RCA Universal Remote is straightforward once you know the steps. Now you can enjoy using your remote to control all your devices hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.